So we're in Fresno, California. We just finished installing a way faucet. This came right from Amazon, and we've installed this in our own home. Of course, we've moved since then, but it was a great faucet that we found at a great price. And so you can see the model number right there on the package. And of course, there's your warranty card. You know, it's a 5-year warranty on their product. You can contact them through this card. And then, of course, some extra parts. We went over this with the homeowner, and we're going to leave you the box. That way, you know, some people like to keep the box that it came in. Anyways, all one mounting system. It's got one large nut underneath that just tightened down, and the whole thing goes together. Great flow for this faucet. We've got a Mullen at our house that looks almost identical to this, but it's like $250, $300 faucet. These guys run $80 out of Amazon, which is great. Don't have a light down here right now, but you can see, you know, you got the weight on the hose, and then of course hot and cold waters are tied in to existing shutoff valves. You know, monitor things down here to make sure it's not leaking. You know, hot and cold water valves, they tend to drip, especially these multi-turn valves, so keep an eye on those. But as far as the water issue concerning the faucet, brand new faucet, no leaking, the supply lines that are connected, hot and cold, which kind of hard to get a picture of those, but hot over there, cold over there, no leaking there. But just monitor the rest of it. You know, you're going to need to monitor your drains, your garbage disposal, the lines that go over to the dishwasher and whatnot. So just keep an eye on those things for water. Any trouble, give us a holler. We'll come back out and take care of it. Outside of that, this installation is done.